Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 9 to power x. This is equal to 90. What is the value of x? Now let's prevent the solution from here. We have 9 to power x. This is equal to 90. Now to solve for x, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log 9 to power x. This is equal to log 90. Now, you find that log 9 to power x, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Now, applying this power rule property of logarithm, this implies that log 9 to power x becomes x log 9. This is equal to log 90. So the next step is to divide both sides by log 9, here by log 9. So let's simplify here. So we have that x is equal to log 90 divided by log 9. We can express 90 as 9. Now we can express 90 as 9 times 10. So this implies that here we have log 9 times 10 divided by log 9. Now this implies that we have that log 9 times 10, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then this implies that x is equal to log 9 divided by log 9, then plus log 10 divided by log 9. The next step here is to simplify log 9 and log 9, so this is 1. So that x is equal to 1 plus this is log 10 divided by log 9. So the next step from here, we can express 10 as 5 times 2. So therefore, we can substitute this so that we have x is equal to 1 plus, here we have log 5 times 2 divided by log 9. Now, log 5 times 2, again, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now, applying this logarithm property, this implies that x is equal to 1 plus, this is log 5 over log 9, then plus log 2 divided by log 9. The next step from here is that we can express 9 as 3 to power 2. So let's substitute this. So this implies that x is equal to 1 plus, this is log 5 divided by log 3 to power 2. Then plus here we have log 2 divided by log 3 to power 2. So the next step is that log 3 to power 2, by applying the power rule property, that is log a to power n, this can be expressed as n log a. So let's apply this power rule property so that now here we have that x is equal to 1 plus, this is log 5 divided by, this is 2 log 3, then plus log 2 divided by log 3 to power 2, which is 2 log 3. Now, the next step is that log 5 divided by log 3, this is in the form of log a over log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now, applying this logarithm property from here, this implies that x is equal to 1 plus half, this is log 5 to base 3, then plus half, this is log 2 to base 3. So here, this is the value of x. This is the value of x. The next step is to verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Now let's verify that this value of x here, which is 1 plus a half log 5 to base 3 plus a half log 2 to base 3 satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall from here, we have that 9 to power x. This should give us a value of 90. So let's substitute this value of x so that we have 9 raised to power 1 plus a half. This is log 5 to base 3 plus a half. This is log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 90. The next step is that we can express 9 as 3 to power 2. Let's substitute this so that we have here 3 to power 2 multiplied by 1 plus a half. This is log 5 to base 3, then plus a half log 2 to base 3. Close the bracket from here. So this should give us a value of 90. Now, the next step is that we have 3 to power 2 times 1. This is 2. Then plus 2 times a half here. So this simplifies so that we have log 5 to base 3. Then plus 2 and this 2 here simplifies. So we have log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 90. Now, the next step is that 3 to power 2 plus log 5 to base 3 plus log 2 to base 3. This is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n times a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then this implies that here we have 3 to power 2, then times 3 to power log 5 to base 3 times 3 to power log, this is 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 90. Now, we have that 3 to power 2. This is the same thing as 3 times 3, and this is equal to 9. So here we have 9 times, now 3 to power log 5 to base 3 and 3 to power log 2 to base 3. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m, and this is supposed to give us a value of a. Now this implies that 3 to power log 5 to base 3, this is supposed to give us a value of 5. And we have that 3 to power log 2 to base 3, this is equal to 2. So let's substitute these values here. So this implies that here we have 9 times 3 to power log 5 to base 3, which is 5, then times 3 to power log 2 to base 3, which is equal to 2. So this is supposed to give us a value of 90. Now, this implies here we have 9 times 5, this is 45, then times 2, and this is supposed to give us a value of 90. Now this implies that 45 times 2, this is equal to 90, and this is equal to 90. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this therefore implies that the value of x, which is 1 plus a half log 5 to base 3 plus a half log 2 to base 3 satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Kindly like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.